Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing street style cheesy potato dosa. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. Heat an iron pan in low heat. Take a ladle full of dosa batter and spread it gently as shown. Add 1 teaspoon of butter and spread it on the dosa batter. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of capsicum pieces, 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, and some chopped coriander leaves. Add 3 tablespoons of boiled and mashed potatoes. Salt as required. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of coconut chutney. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And 1 teaspoon of butter. Gently mix them together. Mash tomatoes and all the veggies with the potato masher gently. Spread it evenly on the dosa batter. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes in low heat. Add some chopped onions and some chopped coriander leaves on the potato mixture. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated cheese on the dosa. Cheese slightly melts. Roast dosa till it turns golden and roll it. Cheesy potato dosa is ready. Serve it with coconut chutney and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes.